So we're going to take the opportunity here to work on turning right. Now, if you've never turned right before, keep watching. If you have turned right before, you're probably going to come across some of these problems I'm going to talk about. So let's get going, and then we'll take it from there. So when you're turning right, you've got to think about your procedure, which is mirrors, signal, position, speed and look. And when you're emerging right, it's exactly the same. Position, so it's mirrors, signal, position, speed and look. So at the end of the road there, we've got a nice easy right emerge. Right, now, so we're going to check our mirrors, we're going to signal, and we're slowing down. It's as easy as that. And the position should be next to the white line in the middle, so you should be able to see it on the dash camera at the side of the car, and stopping just short of the white line, not over it. First gear, gas, biting point. It's nice and easy. Okay, so that's how you should be doing right emerge. Okay, so that's an easy one, isn't it? Now, what about when you do things wrong and your positioning is wrong or your approach is wrong? So that's what we're going to look at also. So I'll just cover one here, and we've got to do another right emerge. So we're checking our mirrors, we're signalling, it's on a bend, so we're slowing down. You can't see on the left, so it's definitely dangerous, definitely stopping. And we're following that white line, sticking our position, turning with the bend, checking and turning. Another one that's quite good. So at the moment we're doing it quite well. A right turn, check your mirrors, signalling, next to the white line but not over it. Now it's important not to turn too soon or turn too late. So just getting to the point where I'm turning, you can see the dash camera outside. I'm in my lane, I'm not cutting the corner. A right emerge here. Now this is where you do it wrong. Look at the gap from the white line. Alright, people think, oh, but I'll be alright. But the danger there is, if you're not paying attention, two things are going to crop up. One is a motorbike behind you comes along and parks next to you to turn right, or a bicycle and you're not paying attention, you turn as they're doing it and you hit them. And another one is you're actually blocking the car who wants to turn left because you can't get into the left side because you're in the middle of the two. So positioning is pretty important. You've got to get yourself next to the white line but not over it. If you go over it, then you'll people say, oh, you cut the corner, and you'll see people doing it to you when you're coming towards it. So when we're going to do some more right and left turns, we're going to look at that as well. And I'm going to talk about the danger, so stay tuned. I'm going to keep repeating right turns, right emerges, and if it's not very busy, I'm going to talk about this is what goes wrong so you can see it. So we'll just do a little left emerge out of here to get ourselves where we want to be, and then straight away we've got a right turn. So I'm checking. Now there's nothing coming, it's quite far away. Now if I turn early, I've cut the corner. As you can see it then, I would turn a little bit too early, and that was done deliberately to show you that you cut the corner. Now the danger is, see this black car coming towards us, if this black car was coming towards the junction a lot closer, I'm going to hit it. So that's why you don't cut the corner. It's as simple as that, because you're going to hit the car coming towards you, or a bicycle or a motorbike. So you stick to your lane. And then the other side of it is, if you're thinking, oh God, I don't want to do that, I don't want to do that, I'm going to go wide of the white line to the left of it. If you go too far across, you're going to hit the curb. And that's also dangerous because you're going to damage your left tyre, or you're going to get a flat tyre or a broken wheel, or you're going to mount the curb and hit a lamppost. So that's why if you're hard at judging the actual position you should be going in, then I suggest first gear, nice and slow to start with, and then you'll be able to do it then. So So we're just going to get ourselves back round to do some more while we're talking. So yeah, when you're doing right turns, got to be in that lane. You can't turn too soon because you're called cutting it, and it's dangerous because you're going to hit the oncoming car. If you turn too late, you're going to be on the pavement or on the grass verge hitting a lamppost or a fence, or possibly a pedestrian. So we're going to do a left one out of here. It's an unmarked junction, so I'm slowing down. And if you're new to my channel, you're thinking, oh, I'm enjoying this, then subscribe, press that bell icon, and get my weekly videos on a Monday. So we're going to come to the end of the road. It's going to be a right emerge. Now I can't see what's coming. There's a person there with a pram on the left behind that van, behind the car. So there's the white lines, mirrors signalling. Remember, get yourself next to the white line. You can see it on the camera there. And I'm slowing down. Perfect position. Checking, and then I'm off. Okay, easy. So we'll do it again. So we're doing a right turn. Mirrors, signalling, slowing down for second gear. And I'm not going to turn early. I'm going to turn into the lane. See, even on the narrow ones, you don't need to turn early, because people turn early because they're either worried about hitting the curb because they haven't got the confidence to do it correctly, or they're let's get through it, or they're a bit lazy and thinking it's okay, no one's there. But you know what it's like when you're on your lessons, or after you pass your test and you're driving around. What you'll do is you'll be coming to a junction, and a car's going to come round the corner on the wrong side of the road, cutting that corner into that right turn, and then they'll swerve to avoid you, and they're going to panic at that point. We're going to do a right emerge. So it's an unmarked junction, so you've got to imagine where the middle is. So there's a little bit of leeway here, but you don't want to be across to the right because it's dangerous, because a car could come round the corner and hit you head on. So I'll repeat this junction again here, right emerge, but this time I'm going to be a bit wider, and if there's a car behind me, they're going to struggle to get to turn left. Do you see the difference between the one a few minutes ago? And people think, oh, it doesn't matter. But if you're on your driving test and you've done that, I can almost guarantee you're going to get some kind of fault, whether it will be a positioning fault because you're not close enough to the white, to the right side of your lane when you're slowing down for the junction, or if you're holding cars up behind you, you could even get serious for positioning. So doing it right is safe. Doing it right on the test, you'll pass. Doing it wrong on both, and it's dangerous, and you'll fail your test at the same time. So that's a lot of emerging right. Let's try and find some more turning rights. So I'll do a left turn coming up in the next minute, and we'll try and do some more right turns. And because I'm a bit wider because of the lane, because of the bus lane, I'm checking that left mirror, making sure no one's going past me at the same time. See, even here when you're turning left, you shouldn't be on the wrong side of the road, you shouldn't go wide. So it's easy stuff, and if you're finding yourself you can't hold your position in your lane, then you've got to ask yourself, is it the speed? Is it my turn too late, turn too soon? These are the questions you should be asking yourself. So I'm not going to take a wide right turn, I'm going to take a narrow one after it, because that's an easy one there on the right there now. It's a nice wide one. So the next right turn's a narrow one. So you've got the same sort of problem. So positioning, set your mirrors first, let them know. Positioning should be next to the white line in the middle, so I'm coming across the white line. I'm not going to go over the white line just in case it's busy. And I'm looking at the road, I'm going into. It's definitely clear, and I'm not cutting the corner. There's a little bit of yellow paint there to remind me that they need to repaint it, and I'm looking to go around. And it's repeat, 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 and if you make mistakes, go back and practice it again. You know, while you're learning, you will make mistakes. There's no doubt about it. Everyone makes mistakes, like I said, and I'm sorry if I keep repeating it, but if I repeat and repeat and repeat, you'll start to realise what you should be doing. So a left emerge out of here, unmarked junction. So I'm slowing down because I can't see to the right. And a right turn here, unmarked junction. So I'm not going to turn too soon when that red min is there. There's a black car in the car, so I'm looking beyond it, and I have to go round the black car. But I still went to the left side then. I didn't cut the corner, because if you cut that corner, because that black car is in your way, without even looking correctly, then it's dangerous. So I positioned myself to go on the left side, then went round the black car. Right turn at this crossroads, and the problem there is that them white silver posts positioning, people worry about hitting them. All you got to do is get your speed down and turn correctly, and you can see there's a few dints on that one there, people going too fast. That's what's happened there. A right turn here, tricky one on a bit of a downhill and a speed bump, so I'm going to stick to the left side. I'm not cutting the corner, because even though it's unmarked junction, if I cut that thinking it's okay and a car was coming towards me, it's dangerous. So I'm hoping these help you. If they do and you're enjoying the videos, feel free to share them, and watch out for my next video next week.